So today is the 28th of September 2022. What was the others?
Asuntoskehttilahden Jero 1, Tapparakatu 5 years.
Yes, 5 staircase. Here this is the last original one in this residential building staircase. Before the ones are already replaced or being replaced. Now it was built in the beginning of 1972, turning 50 years old this year in 2022. We'll be expecting in the next year 2023, or should have been. There's in says 28902. Maybe staircases A, B, and C were from late 1971 and B and 8 because it says 1971 as the construction year here.
Yeah.
So it's strange, but we didn't get 1971, but beginning 72 here, one of these.
Yeah.
It's here in Keijupuisto, Lahti, Finland.
Yeah.
Erkki campus, of course.
It is probably the busiest apartment building ever because I already saw 10 persons.
Yes, thanks.
That's